Verse so Stainless don't verse for mommy Yore oh the thing shocktalize me my darling people. Not be smart you. When me I see the video where Stainless doing the thing shock me. Hello my darling people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. Today matter now about Stainless and mommy Iyore. What is Stainless do for this video? The thing is even shocked me. So what is mommy Iyore can't do Stainless now? The anger where Stainless get, mommy Iyore. If you know say you offend Stainless, go beg amo. Because I see video where you do when you just say, Mr. Let's go beg. Mr. Let's go up, make it stop it go. Make it not the smoke it go again. Mr. Let's stop to they do so many things where they do for social media. Hey, you see, can't shock me, oh. I say, Stainless na adult. Nobody go feel advice Stainless or what Stainless go do. You understand, my darling people? So the thing can't shock me. So my Ogbonge people, I go put the video where Stainless they talk. Stainless they verse like seriously. She dey provoke. So I go put the video which they respond to mommy Iyore. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye. Anything you want to think about the video, wanna leave a comment for the comment section. Thank you. Bye.
Iyore, when your pan ya damn know is that. When can okay awaya mudare. Because when not that day it's away. In a time away. Now where's on no day now? No vision ya la sort of water ministry. And ya wo kan kesu akon. Awo kan go ye profile we ya ye picture we ya we profile picture. One we picture yen. Ezi ya ba kesu. Ko wa na wa memu menu zeni ya. Inyogwe ga nawo. Nye da okoire. Ama etevro pa me testimony no mamu no we there. A ministry we ejo mo na lo so mene ai. All so missing ai. Odo lo so kwa. A ministry where ana no dono no ye kwa 2 minutes na leki adela wo ke so aye a ministry where ya kede ana be do mi omo so na wona be dono du wo bije ona be do wa memu venu be sa ne we no wo una ligi owa una turn owa outside Rudi wani jore, pishu wani jore. Si Ọlọ́run ma no video no mo zuwori no ho wa no bu yo video meni. Si Ọlọ́run ma jo egbe ana mie ye be si no boda gi no ma bi en egbe no ritali. Ye ma gi be ku ogo ye pishu we ya we profile. Won ma get am awe. Won Monica ogbia adenika no lo wo ane. Ijore menena du menena good damn e ka tamawe na because emi asunu wo wa oga robe are mo gbegbe mo nya hu izazan a Stainless to the talk truth ina ze mo gbina na wo wa ro pa no ga asunu ero gbeda wo pare ti egugun ijoro no pa ni ti no ba we me no bu wa dori go meni ya de resla ijoro ye ti no ba we de la we joro ri go gun meni ya de resla o joro mami go ya re vai o joro ri go meni ya de vai o joro wo jo bo me no wu kweke Meti weda wunu yigo gumeni ya yevahe ama yigo na ya de ama na ya de moroko na aze yuwe ugwe adogu mekokom odomu omo odu omo mujori odomu omo odu omo mu epaka gbu agbu onu ya ri ome no de ya ri obi me yu gwe me no jo no roto na gwe no ma na ya ho o ma we din asi do ko din asi kere no ugwe adomi momo koko gwa gbebe bi fudu jori Wegu agbewa momo. When agbewa momo. Can you not a baby pamper? Do you know how to make a diaper? When I agbewa momo Wa do koko mo, wa do mi momo. Onunu ya temeni jori. Wa biere na o, wa biere kwe o. Odomu omo ya duwe mu. Odomu omo ya duwe mu. Ununu wada ya yo ime yu wa ene ye a ogbanu wa ho wa be nu ho wa na ijore gwa maseme o sa we se wu ta wu ma e we iye gbe because gwa wo ime negere o gba iye gbe gwa be bella o gba iye yo go ri o gba iye gbe because a bella is a virgin just like you are a virgin, you are a baby to me gwa wo mo gba iye gbe jore ma e we iye gbe don't tell me na do ma pe ne gba egbo to do amu gbo to me ma e we iye gbe anything na yan gbon na ni ijore wa be for flat o wa wo bo de wa we do live one room ijoro wa ame moto no ebuku eri mi aberi ogi mebuku uwa be kokedio wa kedogu akere do ga kunu we eri mi aberi ogi mebuku why am I saying jure Morocco na we mabesi do you want to see it tomorrow you are still smoking it who you see and I'm not going to hide this for any motherfucker ro da we gba fe la ba ye wo be ni gbara o ye wo gba wa re ni ma se megbege in the Paris wa ko ijoro ga hu wa sala don't block him ni se pa na da wa na yu ohun ni se pa na da mo wa yu ohun wa gbe o wi na ho be Paris hu jo yan o Atuma ko no wa no re Paris ga gbon ima na repi mama so ni obi jugbe no re Paris ga gbon ima wa no repi mama so ni e ba na gbo be na ze bo so repi mama so ni no you wake up that ya ga na make no ja mama so ni wa ho wa mo ya zo la kama na gbo fili le ga de sort water ministry nene man wa fe ga sort water di no ma se me boy then if you ma se ne won na me go ya me na no make me come go time we can not damn boy is this e cannot damn boy na fi we ya we live video if you just we live video ni you go ro zagin iya wala otia adaze osapa ma waje the visual in the social media adazo e one of the chances waje the visual in the social media who go social media ni who want to stand in no who want to janu who want to disgrace no who want mu we gboto who want mu we buse where they make you the fish shame and they make you the fish shame what one of your thing that money adaze wa gi meuna ati obi jwe wo say the social media ya mu gboto no vie o ya mu gboto no gi oba mu gboto no gi wo wa gi meuna Ona magide shame nu wania ona magide disgrace nu wania ona magide ya wo nania kan kime no to yu me no na daze kime no to yu me no go me no to yu me teke ni vie ku wana do munye la dare wana do munye la do social media de no ma se nania wa we mo problem wa e disgrace ile fa na wa ka ya ajewu e disgrace ile fa na o wa ya ajewu ijo de go me tama we I ma be for flat in Nigeria we no see e o mo zeji ile mini zeji I have responsibility. I not have something that I'm spending for. Is there your mo? You got more a class mo we met in the secondary school and Jodo ma seva. Me to be me ma seva. Obiji me no ho wa no do talo ma bori o ma be se class ni. I me mi ni zeji. I wa me mi ni zeji. I wa me mi ni wa zeji. I me mi ni zeji jori go ni ya se Morocco kere ya kokomo. I go ni ya se Morocco kere ya ya deva ni ri ai. Ya sige school. Eya sige school wa zeji jore e ka yo we pon me ka no ya pon me ka mo gun ne ko bi gbo e ka gbon o wa no na yore e ka gbon I no want insult to my join this matter o I no want join insult to my join this matter at all anyway yo bo me block wa na why ko wa respect gbogbo anybody wey carry jore come this place I go swear for am I do wa me and you. Just better shut up. If you don't want to come and carry your hair, go one place. Which is they advise you? That person is already area and say lessy. You already advise me. That person is already area me. They may not come and no one ya with me. It's only with you before. Unu quality before we are here weba. Ula don't have you what is just that way you so we over here do. That will go take but we do go down webu. Who fear that go part of our work on your tongue. And I will when I encourage you. Oga mo egbe no ya yu won motor o ma gbole ma no lele wa ke ga suwejo ina bi ate Facebook e do go gba yin do do ko yin anu ya tie we ba tami ya mi tie we ba wa ma call you when you get gbe tie no ba we ya tie no ba we ba e no ba we de resla e no bu we de resla ijo re no ba we de Morocco no ho wa gba wa mason wa advice me when you get this Morocco ya ise me yeke ya bubu na bi me ijoru we ko ke bubu anya ya ayi si ya wekia ayi si ya ma ayi si mama si ene lele borum wa ho wa gbe o enu gbe o na ku we ko mo ti o ma na awi je no ro ma la yo dare awa bi je no bu bi je do to ta so gun we tu anya o re gbe ro be tu anya nya o ba ya re gbe o e o ba re gbe we na ya tu anya we gbegwe no igbegwe nu sisu wa do yo bu wa kan ade social media ya atu enya wa ti atu enya we kwere ya wu wa ya funu wa wi mo ya sinu wa kedu ade wa do yo bu wa yo nu wa ya ra loto ya la loto wo kian ba ti ya sinu wa amo ti ma no ma ya mejo wo kan we no e ki wa no pa na ma bi le me mu hu na won ba pe Facebook ni nya nikin no zambio pare zambio ko yen ni emu won ni your Facebook ba yen wa ni una me ide ki wa no ede ki wa no oti ki wa no ede oti ono re jami no ede oti ono ro bomo pa no ede oti ono re no kai no mo ti o ma o me ge no bi afia mi gbo ade ona me ge no ya afia mi gbo ade wa da me wo kan lu wa da ki o te me wo kan ya do obo kan ya mo le ke shifi ri go mo wo kan o ka mo bi je me ona gbo shifi ri go mi ye o mo zo ni ka gi no wo kan ta obo mari obo amaye bo kan we o wari go na shifi da yo mo te wa o ri go na shifi daji no na na da shifi mayo bo kan e shifi must touch for his money ajo bo kan o da kan o su yo o fijo o ko na ka mo no ko na ra ru ka mo wo pu ya ri go ni ye wo pu abewe okpawe no me kia di go ni ye una no e amaye ba kan we ba ma yo bo kan we wa dan we ho e mo ti o ma o wa de gbo wa di ni dagbo ya gbo wa ni ye e o be se gberu o be ni wa be van na ri van yo eri aba be tu enya kwa kure eri aba which love no more get love our nozu azu I love you Walid nozu no wa be ru wa be the organ last ka check up which love they don't for no lead o se gbe me love you na lead